जागतिक कोरोना महामारी कराल रूप सारा विश्व को कबलित करिछि। जीवन मृत्युर एभली एक घड़ीसंधि मुहूर्त में तालचेर स्थित कलिंग डीएवी विद्यालय में पालित हो जाइछि एहार गौरवमय 25तम प्रतिष्ठा दिवस। विद्यालय निकट अतीत अति आडंबर सहित रौप्य जयंती उत्सव पालन करितिला। मात्र वर्तमान परिस्थिति को दृष्टि रखी कोविड-19 समस्त नियम को अनुसरण करी ई समावेश जरिया रे ऑनलाइन बा वर्चुअल उत्सव पालित हो जाइछि।
If you want to get an amazing and astounding amalgamation of care, compassion, strive for knowledge, perfection and excellence, innovative practices, stupendous success, we have to humbly present our honorable principal, Sri S.K. Bhoi sir, whose dedication and motivation has radically changed the present and future of DAV Kalinga. May I have the privilege to invite on dais Sri S.K. Bhoi, Principal, DAV Public School, MCL Kalinga area for his inaugural blessings. Sir, please.
Good morning everybody. The school is virtually celebrating the 25th Foundation Day today, when the whole country is going with virtual experiences. Most lovable children, dear parents and dear colleagues, this is the way I thought to celebrate the closing ceremony of the Silver Jubilee function. Way back on 10th July 2019, we inaugurated the Silver Jubilee celebration of the school, and we came to an end of the year-long jubilation by celebrating the Foundation Day of the school today. I am just finding myself isolated because nobody is there in front of me. The world appears different. The limitation of life appears limitless. But I hope everyone is safe in this COVID-19 pandemic situation at their home. It is at the same time a challenging thing for everyone to cope up with the education and managing the school in the larger way. I understand the school has fruitfully built up a great foundations through a sound journey of 25 years. So many well-versed, well-placed alumni of these great institutions have spread to every nook and corner of the globe, further glorifying the same name and fame, the work and worth of the school. They are the real ambassador of the school we have produced. They are our sweet fruits, our achievements. Similarly, so many principals have worked here diligently for the growth of the school, and thereby the solid rock of this institution is prepared for this locality. We prove that we have excelled in many ways when we celebrated the Silver Jubilee function on 20th November 2019. You all have seen the large gathering and the wholehearted participation of everybody. Dear children, parents and my colleagues, this is the time when we have to connect ourselves in this virtual platform. No doubt, we have so many challenges with us. The academic loss of the student, particularly for the senior class like 10th and 12th, in fact, matter of great concern. Already, CBSE has slashed the syllabus, of which you all are aware, and we do not know how our children will be facing challenges in the days to come. But still, we must try our best to enable our children to do excellently well. As far as compensating the syllabus, it is our great concern. The school has started already the virtual classes. We have very sincerely started the classes from 6th of July. And I realize parents and children must be facing a lot of difficulties. But we have to manage also. We have to cover our syllabus. We exactly do not know when the school will restart. As per government directives, it is after August 31st, but we are still in doubt when the school will function normally. But dear student, you must connect yourself with your teachers through various online virtual platforms and clear your doubts. I have already sent you a circular of detailed celebrations for the day today, and will be sending WhatsApp messages of whatever is there as per the agenda to everybody. In between, we have planned online competition too from 12:15 to 1:15 p.m. Hope you all will be doing something for yourself and send the video messages to the respective teacher in charge. We'll definitely love to see your wholehearted participation. That will be your love, gratitude and tribute to your school on its 26th birthday. With your creative contributions, make this day truly meaningful and fruitful for your alma mater. Your love for your school is your school strength and its treasure also. All the participating students will receive a e-certificate, and certainly for the toppers we have the prizes. I remember your CCA prizes for 2019-20 are yet to be distributed. They are kept ready in my office. The moment normalcy returns to our life, we'll definitely give away the prizes and feel honored by honoring you. In between, we have supplied your textbooks to you also. Some textbooks are yet to be received by us. We'll take care of that factor also. I wish these celebrations become a successful one with your sincere participation. In the daytime, you are planting a medical plant at your own place, and in the evening, you are lighting a diya at your own home. And please send a video, and that will definitely do something great for us. In this way, we will also pray to God to save us from ongoing danger and appeal for everyone's wellness. Last but not the least, on this auspicious occasion, I sincerely thank all the parents whose unconditional support has always motivated us. I gratefully acknowledge the graceful contribution of Sri P.V. Reddy, Honorable General Manager MCL Hingula area and Chairman Local Managing Committee for his support and love for the school. I must not forget to express my gratitude to Sri Alan Pradhan, Honorable Regional Officer, DAV Institutions Odisha Zone 2, and the founder principal of this school for his inspiring guidance and blessings. So, children, I would like to thank all of you once again. So, stay home, stay safe, use masks and follow the guidelines of government for good health and happiness. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
DAV Kalinga feels proud of its association with Sri P.V. Reddy, Honorable GM, Hingula area and Chairman, Local Managing Committee. His constant support and guidance has not only helped the school achieve bigger things, but also dream and dare out of the box. We appeal Sri P.V. Reddy, a fine administrator and a philanthropist par excellence, to bestow his blessings on the school on this auspicious occasion. Sir, please.
सभी को नमस्कार. Principal of the school, Mr. S.K. Boi, staff of the school, students, parents, guardians, and alumni. Hoping everything is okay with you all. Life, it is rightly said, as it throws unexpected challenges, and we all must be prepared to face such challenges with full of guts and grace. Corona has drastically changed our lifestyle and is affecting drastically our aspirations and hopes. I not only believe, but I strongly hope that we will overcome and will win the war against this corona, and we will come back to our normal life as it was earlier. Coming to the purpose of today's message, I express my best wishes and congratulate you all on this 25th Foundation Day of your school, DAV Kalinga. During the last 2 years of my tenure in Ingula area, and also as a chairman of LMC DAV Kalinga, I experienced so many sweet memories and accomplishments. I am proud to say that the school in these 25 years has created a special place not only in the hearts of the people of Talcher, but also has secured a respectable place among the reputed schools in the state of Orissa. I congratulate the principal, Mr. Boi, and the staff students of this school. This year is the Silver Jubilee year for the school, and this is the valedictory celebrations of this program. I feel so happy to express that the students and staff have shown their tremendous presentations during the memorable celebrations of the Silver Jubilee in the month of November 2019. I think the grandeur of the function will remain in our minds for a long period of time. The principal, Mr. S.K. Boi, showed with DAV Kalinga is capable of conducting such a huge events and celebrations. The very purpose of alumni that the school has produced over the years will help to take the name, fame and glory of the school to even greater heights. In this crisis time of Corona, children's education is a major issue with schools and colleges declared closed for months altogether. As the chairman LMC, I feel so elated to let you know that the school started adopting the online teaching methods when perhaps it was not seriously started in any part of the country. I congratulate you all for the successful efforts you have taken to compensate for the ongoing loss in academics. I advise the parents, students to take the full advantage of this online program provided by the school. Nothing can be more heart-touching to note that parents feel lucky if their child is admitted in DAV Kalinga. I am sure the school will create many milestones in the days to come, and MCL is always trying to best of efforts and readily provide the requirements for the school. As part of our total commitments, we are accelerating the construction of Silver Jubilee block in the school, whose foundation stone was laid by the Honorable CMD Sri B.N. Shukla sir during the Silver Jubilee celebrations. Similarly, we are taking up the pending issues remain, like playground, renovation of this auditorium, and further more classroom constructions for lower KG classes. Further, I assure all sorts of facilities will be provided to the school for the benefit of the students and the people of Talcher. Today, D.V. Kalinga is a young man of 25 and a storehouse of indomitable will and energy. Society is waiting to see new miracles to be created by the school and the students. My heartful wishes to all the stakeholders of D.V. Kalinga on this auspicious and special occasion of 25th Foundation Day. Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind, Jai D.V. Kalinga. Thank you once again all.
Has immensely multiplied the greatness and grandeur of knowledge and wisdom, rendering many veterans awe-inspiring alumni to lead the nation and the forthcoming world with the values and virtues of the Arya Samaj.
But the making of this endeavor of Silver Jubilee celebration extends the greatness and sincere dedication and the limelight foresight of our enthusiastic principal sir, Shri S.K. Bhoi sir, who paved this way for a year-long celebration with festivity and zeal, accelerated with relentless efforts of our lovely teachers and devoted student companions.
And the marvelous way through which the school had been imparting the spirituality, peace and love runs deep through the veins of every individual right here, like the bequest to the great one, and for us, it's our lovely D.V. Kalinga fraternity. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to all the teachers, escorting staff, student fraternity and every single person involved in making this year-long celebration filled with joy, enthusiasm and enchanting moments for our school.
And since legends say,
To face the obstructions,
to learn from misconceptions,
to rise after your falls,
to vibe at the calls,
to overcome the invincible,
to achieve the impossible.
this is what life is all about.
This is what D.V. Kalinga is all about. His innovations, his perseverance have taken us to even greater heights. He is a true captain with volumes of vivacity and a variety of inspiring ideas. Now, let's invite the wings of our flight, pillars of our strength and our constant source of motivation, Honorable Principal D.V. Kalinga, Sri S.K. Bhoi sir, to light the holy lamp to inaugurate this auspicious event. I would also like to call other teachers.
Hare
In an auspicious moment, a pious hand planted a sapling 25 years ago. He sprinkled it with his sweat drops. The visionary, the man with Midas touch. He is none other than Shri Ellen Pradhan sir. The school requests Honorable Shri Ellen Pradhan sir, Regional Officer, DV Institution, Odisha Zone 2, and the founder principal of this school to bless us on this occasion. DAV Kalinga family is indebted to Shri Ellen Pradhan sir for his sincere guidance and all-time blessings. So please.
Dear teachers, students, and the principal, Mr. Bhui of the great institution, DV Public School, Kalinga area. It's really heartening to learn that the school has successfully completed its Silver Jubilee year. I convey my heartiest congratulations to the children, teachers, management, and most importantly, the parents of the school on this occasion. I recall the gorgeous celebration of Silver Jubilee function held on 20th November 2019 and felt the enthusiasm of the students and teachers. I was a bit apprehensive that in this unprecedented pandemic situation, how the children would celebrate the closing day of their Silver Jubilee. The invitation card when I received, the invitation card of the celebration reflects that this pandemic cannot be the hurdle in the path of enthusiasm of our brave children. Our children have proved that they are ready to face any type of challenges in their life. They can convert crisis to the opportunity and they can change the frustration to creation. Dear students and teachers, this pandemic have taught us lot many things. This virtual meeting, boundaryless classrooms, free from chalked out timetable, learning in their own pace without any peer pressure, attending online classes, participating in online competitions, exploring the things to learn in their own way, so on and so forth.
डीएवी गायनर कार्यक्रम शुभारंभ होता कार्यालय स्वनामधन्य अध्यक्ष श्रीजुक्त सुरेन्द्र कुमार भोई उद्घाटनी अभिभाषण प्रदान करते। विद्यालय परिसर में सीमित शिक्षक कर्मकर्ता और छात्र छात्री द्वारा एक औषधीय वृक्षारोपण कार्यक्रम आयोजित होता। वैदिक यज्ञ अनुष्ठित होता। एमसीएल हिंगुला क्षेत्र साधारण परिचालक तथा स्कूल एलएमसी अध्यक्ष टेली संवाद माध्यम निजर वक्तव्य रखिते। ऑनलाइन माध्यम विभिन्न प्रतियोगिता अनुष्ठित होता। छात्र छात्री शिक्षक और अभिभावक मान द्वारा विश्व शांति और निरामय जगत उद्देश्य निज निज घरे वैदिक रीति में प्रदीप प्रज्वलन संपादित होता। विद्यालय प्रतिष्ठाता अध्यक्ष तथा वर्तमान डीएवी ओडिशा जोन 2 आंचलिक अधिकारी श्रीजुक्त लोकनाथ प्रधान निजर आशीर्वाद वार्ता प्रेरण करने सहित विद्यालय उत्तरोत्तर उन्नति कामना करते। शेष छात्र छात्री द्वारा प्रस्तुत चित्ताकर्षण और मनलोभा नृत्य को भर्चुआली प्रसारण कर छात्र छात्री मैंने निज घरे रही उपभोग करते। उत्सव में शिक्षिका प्रभारी श्रीमती हितृषी सामल, श्रीजुक्त प्रदीप कुमार महांती, कृष्णा महांती, डॉक्टर कृष्णा कन्हैया आचार्य, मानस रंजन पुष्टि, विकास चंद्र भोई, सौम्य दर्शिनी शतपथी, पवित्र मोहन शतपथी, देवी प्रसाद प्रधान और अन्य शिक्षक और कर्मकर्ता प्रमुख सहयोग करते। ए संपर्क में विद्यालय अध्यक्ष श्रीजुक्त भोई कहते कोविड-19 व्यापकता और भयावहता को लक्ष्य कर ए वर्ष ऑनलाइन माध्यम भर्चुआल उत्सव पालन कर गौरवमय विद्यालय गारिमा को अक्षुण्ण रखा सहित महामारी समय छात्र छात्री को उन्नत मानर शिक्षा जोगाई देवाक ऑनलाइन समस्त व्यवस्था कर छात्र छात्री सर्वांगीन उन्नति डीएवी कलिंग सर्वदा चेष्टित और प्रतिश्रुतिबद्ध। अनुगुल शेख जुल्फिकर रिपोर्ट, समय लाइव।
देश दुनियार बड़ खबर,
राज्यर प्रतिटी खबर
भिन्न शैली रे भिन्न ढंग
आमे पहुंचाइबो आपनक पाखरे।
सेति पय हमर फेसबुक पेज को लाइक करंतु,
यूट्यूब रे हमकु सब्सक्राइब करंतु।